What you may have noticed is that there was no main file. So we're going to run this using our Maven wrapper. We are going to run the application in dev mode because it's super cool what you can do with Quarkus out of the box. Let me show you. And there you go. It's listening on port 8080. So let's go there. So we go to localhost. And this is the index.html that I just showed you. But what's more interesting is our hello world endpoints. There we go. And it says, hello, rest easy. This is the default that the rest easy dependency is making for us. Clearly, we would want to change this. And this is the super cool part I was talking about. So we can just change this like this. And I go back to the browser. No restart of the program at all. And then if I go here, and I refresh this, it's saying hello guys. So out of the box, when you run your application in dev mode, you have hot deployment with background compilation out of the box. And this is so cool because we couldn't do this with all the other frameworks we're used to, at least not without fancy plugins. So this is pretty awesome and it can save you a lot of time during development.